Gajanan Taide, member of the committee. Pradnya Sawant Taide, member of the committee. Please. Pradnya and Gajanan. The seminar report, the most critical analytical task is carried on by the members of the seminar report committee. Anil Sonawane. Anil, be quick, people are waiting. Yes, Anil is running. Because 2 days we made him sit, now we are making him run. He was here continuously because you have been instructed to write the report for the seminar. So both of them had done a great job. Thank you Anil, thank you Gajanan. And Kavita Sonawane, who is not here with us but she has also helped us a lot. Of course, how can we not mention the anchors for the days? Indra Patil, who has already been felicitated. We want Pandurang Barkale to be on the stage. Pandurang Barkale. Then, certificates were distributed to you by Kamlakar Kahane for spot registration. Kamlakar Kahane. He is still busy because he is at that most required counter now. Certificates. He's still working. Rajiv Kamre is also there. Now, we are really privileged to have with us one of our most dearest friends, Ram Bise, who has worked as the coordinator of e-content development. So please give him a round of applause so that he feels motivated to be here with us. He is the one who has introduced this particular seminar on the website. Then we have Transport and Emergency Services, Birappa Vedi once again, Balaji Sherke. Now, I would like to make a special reference to Balaji Sherke because from last 1 week, he stayed with us. All the coordination, all the printing, all the DTP work that you are having ready at hand is done by him. A very tedious job that he has covered with a lot of patience. The SMS of the registration IDs that you have received, 182 IDs, he has typed himself, sent SMS to each one of you all individually. Balaji Sherke. Then we have... Okay. Yeah, of course, if he is not here. If he is not here, that means he is still busy. Now, I would like to give special thanks to the cook who has come all the way from Marathwada, who has represented Dr. Sudhir Nikam Mande by serving you the staple indigenous food from Marathwada, and Mande representing me because I am born and brought up in Pune. Dr. Sudhir Nikam is born and brought up in Umarga, so he has balanced it. Then I would like to thank the stage decoration committee and the people concerned. Zakir Bhai, I would like him to be felicitated, Zakir Bhai, who has provided us the projector right in time. Then, the person who helped us with the curtains, chair arrangements, I would like to thank him as well, Mr. Chive, he is not here. Thank you. Thank you everybody. So please have your seats. Then, last but not the least, there are so many people, so you can have a seat because they'll have to keep their instruments down. By the time I announce, then there is one more person whom I would like to call upon, is Pankaj Patil, who has done the most delicate job of giving the blank reports to all the referees and taking those reports and keeping it with him in a proper way, in a confidential way. So Pankaj Patil. Yeah, I know. Just searching who else is left. Yes. How can I not mention once again Milind Pandit, who has done a great job yesterday by please shoot him as well. Sure. The photographer who had innovative ideas. It was his idea that we should take the participants at the athletic stadium and take the photographs. Thank you, Vishnu. Thank you so much for being with us all the way from Solapur. Thank you. If I haven't mentioned anybody's name, that doesn't mean certain things are to be spoken of, but it is always better to remain indebted to certain people in your life. And how can I finish this vote of thanks without expressing my feelings, my love, my affection, my care, and of course, the pride that I am the daughter of Shri D.N. Sondkar and my mother, so Sunanda Sondkar. Thank you for being with us always and supporting us. Thank you. And source of inspiration, motivation, my family members who always stood by me, who always encouraged me, who always said, go ahead, do it, you can do it. My father-in-law, Professor V.S. Nankam, and my mother-in-law, I really am feeling awkward to say mother-in-law, my mother, so Sindhu Nankam, my dearest brother-in-law, Vice President of Higher Education and Research Society, Shri Sharad Nankam, so Supriya Nankam, Sharad Nankam, Vice President, Joint Secretary Supriya Nankam, my sister-in-law, my elder brother, Shri Yogesh Sondkar, my younger brother, Dhananjay Sondkar, my little ones, everybody present here at this moment. Friends, this seminar would not have been successful without your presence, your trust, your love, your affection, and more than anything, the confidence that you put in us that yes, we'll do the best for you all. Without you, this would not have been possible. Thank you for being with us. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you. And the words are very few to express my feelings. I thank each and everybody present in the hall, those who have already left. I wish all of you all a very, very happy journey. Please send us an SMS that you have reached safely because that's our responsibility. We'll feel better. And one more thing is, PG students, there are 3 PG students from Pune University and 2 because we are allowed only 5 PG students. So 3 of them are from Pune University, 2 of them were from Mumbai University, they have already left. Gargi Bole and Nati Bole, they have already left. Here we have with us Swapnil Bhagat and Hina Sheikh and Abhana Rao. And one amongst them is visually impaired. But from last 2 days, she is here with us. Please give them a round of applause so that they feel encouraged to be here with us. Once again, I express my gratitude, my sincere thanks to each and everybody present here in the hall. Thank you for being with us, and apologies if we have fallen short of anything. Sincere apologies if I haven't mentioned anybody's name. Sincere apologies for all those things which we couldn't provide to you, or if in case we wouldn't, because we tried our level best, right from giving you warm water, hot water, as well as mosquito repellents as well. In case if we have fallen short, we have already given you all a feedback form, and one more instruction: without submitting your feedback forms, you will not get your certificates, because the society is very strict and the president is very strict. So please fill in your forms, because without feedback forms, you will not get your certificates. Thank you for being with us once again. Thank you, my dear students, my dearest students. Without your teamwork, without your support, without your coordination, without you being with us, are you happy? Yes. Now that I'm happy, then I can say thank you. But one more thing, I cannot end my vote of thanks list unless I mention the name of my elder brother Vivek Ranthambe, who is standing behind me. So, like brother. No, I said my brother. But when I saw he was standing, when I turned, he was sitting. So he is always there with us as a support, as a pillar, as a backbone, as a source of inspiration, motivation. Always inspiring us, always inviting us to Pune. And I thank him for everything that he has done for us. Thank you, and I declare that the seminar is over. Thank you.